Hello students, welcome to SRBPS online classes. Today we will be studying about agriculture. So let's get started. Study about agriculture. What is agriculture? It is the science of growing crops. Okay, it is the science of growing crops. Now we will study the agricultural activities to grow good and healthy crops. So let's understand this. Now here are the various steps. First step, we will in the first step tilling the soil, or you can say plowing the soil. Now what happens in case of tilling the soil or plowing the soil? Tilling the soil and plowing the soil refers to loosening and turning the soil. It helps us to improve the water retaining capacity of the soil and helps the roots to penetrate inside the soil. Now second point in this, we will be adding manure. Fine, add manure to the field. Okay, so what is the purpose of adding manure to the field? That is to provide the nutrients, so that our crops can be healthy. Now third point, sow seeds of good quality. Okay, in this what we will do, we will select good quality seeds and discard the rest one and will sow them in the field. Sow them in the field. Okay, now next point is irrigation. Irrigation. Now what is meant by irrigation? Irrigation means to provide water to the plants, or you can say to provide water to the crop at a regular interval. Find regular intervals of time. Okay, now next point, in next point we will remove the weeds. Now here a point came, what are weeds? Weeds are unwanted plants, or you can say are wild plants that grow along with the crop. Okay, that grow along with the crop. Now what will happen, they will absorb the nutrients, which is required by the crop, and our crop will be deprived of the certain nutrients. That is why what we will remove the weeds. Now sixth point, we will spray certain chemicals, also called as pesticides. Now what is the function of pesticides? To destroy plant pests. Okay, now what will happen, it will destroy the plant pests, and you can say certain insects and fungi that destroy plants are called pests. Okay, now the pest, you will be having a doubt in pests. Now what are pests? Certain insects and fungi that can destroy the plant crop, that can destroy our crops. Now Next point is seventh point. In this we will protect the crop from the grazing animals. Okay, from the grazing animals like cow, buffalo, horses and all. Okay, now next point. Next point, in this we will harvest, or you can say harvesting. Now what is harvesting? Harvesting means the process of gathering mature crops, and in short we can say also the cutting of mature crops. Okay, and it is being done at a proper time, when our crops are mature. And then ninth point is storing. Fine, storing the crop, you can say storing the grains, so produce, or you can say storing the grains or produce at a certain place called granaries. Now if we talk about fruits and vegetables, they are being stored in cold storage. And if we talk about dry grains or pulses, you can say and pulses, they are being stored in granaries. Okay, thank you.